Blaze introduces the first ever solid cast aluminum Kamado. The Tannerite durability test. Blaze Kamado versus ceramic Kamados. Let's try it again on the Blaze solid cast aluminum Kamado.
As you can see, the ceramic Kamados that are out on the market just aren't nearly as durable as the Blaze Kamado in cast aluminum. There's a significant debris field. We got component pieces everywhere. Again, just not as tough. We build the Blaze Kamado out of a very thick cast aluminum. Very heavy, durable. Unlikely you're gonna have to go through anything like this, but if you should, don't worry.
Blaze, just that tough.